The light of the world has come. Abandon these pagan rituals.
We honor the gods with fire and wine.
Imagine a single day that is powerful enough to shake the entire global economy. Did you know that in just 1 year, Christmas generates over $1 trillion in business? To put that into perspective, if you combine the total spending of the last 10 years of Eid celebrations across the Muslim world, it still would not match the spending of a single Christmas season. But here is the shocking part. A huge portion of this money is spent by people who are not even Christians. So what is it about this day? Is it truly the birthday of Jesus? Or is there a centuries-old secret hidden behind the festivities? Today, we are peeling back the layers of history to reveal truths about Christmas that you have never heard before. Around the world, this day is celebrated to honor the birth of Jesus Christ, known as Hazrat Isa alayhi salam in Islam. However, the truth is, nowhere in the entire Bible is the date 25th December ever mentioned. Historians and even most Christian scholars admit they don't know his exact date of birth. In the Quran, Surah Maryam mentions that during the birth of Isa, Maryam alayhi salam was told to shake the trunk of a date palm tree so that fresh, ripe dates would fall.
And shake toward you the trunk of the palm tree. It will drop upon you ripe, fresh dates.
This date only ripen in the heat of summer or autumn and never in the freezing snow of December. It suggests his birth actually took place during a warmer season. So why December 25th? The answer lies in ancient Rome. Long before Christianity, Romans were pagans who celebrated a massive festival called Saturnalia in late December, a week of partying, drinking and chaos. Coincidentally, December 25th was also the birthday of the sun god known as Mithra. When the Roman Empire eventually converted to Christianity, they faced a problem. The people did not want to give up their festivals, so the empire made a strategic move. They rebranded the sun god's birthday as the Son of God's birthday, merging pagan traditions into the new religion. Today, two things define Christmas: the tree and Santa Claus. In ancient times, people brought evergreen branches into their homes during winter, believing they represented life and warded off evil spirits. This German tradition eventually evolved into the modern Christmas tree we see today. And what about Santa Claus? While his character is inspired by Saint Nicholas, a real-life monk famous for his secret gift-giving, his iconic look was a marketing masterpiece. The jolly man in the red and white suit was not designed by a religion. He was popularized by Coca-Cola in 1930s to match their brand color, a religious figure into a global marketing icon. In the modern world, Christmas has shifted from a religious holiday to a massive market strategy. From gift cards and decorations to global tourism, it is a $1 trillion engine. This is why countries like China, Japan and India, where Christianity is not the primary religion, still celebrate it with such intensity. It's no longer just about faith, it's about the economy, it's about the business. So there you have it, the reality of Christmas. A fascinating blend of ancient rituals, clever marketing, and historical shifts. Did you know about the $1 trillion fact before today? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into history and world events. Until next time, take care. Thank you.